Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to recover a phantom wallet. First, open the Phantom Wallet app on your phone. If your wallet was deleted or you've lost access, the home screen won't show your account. Instead, you'll see two options: Create New Wallet and I Already Have a Wallet. Tap on I Already Have a Wallet to start the recovery process. After tapping I Already Have a Wallet, you'll see options for wallet recovery. Make sure you have your recovery phrase written down safely. These are the 12 secret words needed to recover your wallet. Tap on recovery phrase to proceed. Now, carefully enter your 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order. You can refer to where you previously wrote them down. Accuracy is key here. If the words are entered incorrectly, the wallet cannot be recovered. After entering your recovery phrase successfully, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your wallet. Set a strong and secure password that you can remember. Once this is done, your Phantom Wallet will be fully recovered and ready to use. And that's how you can recover your Phantom Wallet safely using your recovery phrase. Remember, without the recovery phrase, no one can reset your wallet, so always keep it safe. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.